I hope you guys Hello, Mr. Busy Guy. Go get it! Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Jenna. If you guys are new here, happy Monday. Welcome to our diaries. Go get it! I want to vlog the whole work week with you guys, and I know that it's the end of Monday, but it's still Monday. I know I'm supposed to be filming the morning routine. If you're a returning subscriber, I've been talking about this morning routine for a really long time, but it's just really hard, I think, to do a dedicated video to my morning routine. But I'll show you in this video what my morning routine is actually looking like, and also like how I'm getting about my day stuff. So, ooh, this is not dry. So welcome back to the vlog. This is what my morning routine is like, while also taking you guys through a couple of work days or the work week. I'm not really sure which one. Either way, this is how I prioritize my life outside of work. I just logged off. It's like 5:30 right now. What I typically like to do right after I log off is get to the chores that I've been kind of doing simultaneously throughout the weekend or the last couple of days that take too long because I'm working from home and because I know I have all day. Thomas actually started the laundry yesterday and it's just been sitting here all day, and then we're gonna get started on dinner, and I'm excited because all I'm doing after work today is editing, and I need to go to sleep. Like, I need to get in bed at 8, really. I need to go to sleep at 9 because I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but I can't tell if I just haven't been getting good sleep and good rest for the last couple of days. I'm not exactly sure, but all I know is that work can only help me. Not work, sleep can only help. So I'm gonna make sure I get a lot of rest tonight. I hope you guys will come along, and I'll show you guys my whole morning tomorrow. Other than that, let's spend the next couple of days together. It's all done now. One of my goals for the month is making a fall recipe. And so today I'm trying to make a healthier chicken pot pie. I'm just kind of winging it, honestly. But they say you can't tell, so. I roasted some chicken tenders that we're just gonna shred here. Hope this is good. So I feel like it looks actually really good. Ooh, oh. I don't think it, I guess it's done enough. Okay, the pie crust looks really bad because I just kind of slapped it on, but it's gonna taste really good. Here's my pot pie. I'm gonna leave a recipe in the description box because this is so healthy. I was telling Thomas, this is like the tastiest healthy thing I've made, and I've tried a lot of the recipes. Good morning. I'm on my morning walk right now. This is kind of how I finish my morning routine. I wake up really early, drop off Thomas at the hospital because the metro's not open that early, and then I go on a walk in Arlington or in DC or just kind of somewhere, and then I stop halfway through. It's usually like a 45-minute walk. I'll stop at a coffee shop, get some morning journaling in, and then walk back. So I'm on the walk back now. The sun's out and it's so pretty. This is like my sacred time. I love it. The last 2 days now, I've been listening to an audiobook, the Atmosphere audiobook. If you guys have Spotify Premium, I think if you only have Spotify Premium, it's only the person that actually pays for it. Not everybody that's on your plan, but if you pay for Spotify Premium, then you get free audiobooks. I think 15 hours a month or something like that, which is a lot. Atmosphere is so good. So I'm going back and forth between reading it on my Kindle and listening to it on my morning walks because I walk so much. And the narrator is so good. My friend Emily actually told me about Atmosphere's audiobook. She was like, I listened to it on audiobook and it was so good. And I was like, oh, I'm not the biggest audiobook person. Have I already said all of this? Maybe, but the narrator is so good. I got 2 things. Where's the other thing? Okay, I guess the other thing will be coming separate, but stuff. I got a pair of travel scissors so that I can put everything for journaling in this one pouch. My mom actually embroidered this pouch for me. It's so pretty, right? And I'm trying to not like be an overconsumed person with journaling because I know it's really easy to go like overboard. So I'm trying to keep everything that I use for journaling in this bag. We're gonna try that. But the other thing that I got, this would have really come in handy yesterday. And it was honestly the recipe yesterday that made me buy this. I got a vegetable chopper and I really wanted one that didn't have like all these different attachments because I just think like my apartment is too small for me to store all of those attachments all the time. And I really just wanted something compact and something simple for chopping my veggies, you know? So this one is an OXO grips. I think it was a little bit more expensive than the cheap one. I think this was like $20, but it's just a simple, nice. And then you just put it in like this, put your veggies in and chop away. So I like this because it's compact. I feel like it's small, easy to store. And yeah, OXO, you can't go wrong with OXO too. I think it's expensive, but it's like worth the price. Okay, my coffee is brewing. It probably will take me like 90 seconds. So I'm gonna see how much of this I can get situated. It's officially lunchtime right now, but I'm gonna put this lunch in another video. So check out the work from home lunch video if you guys haven't already. Otherwise, I'll just show you the finished thing. Okay, here's our dinner. We're sharing a pork rice bowl with leftover vegetables, and then this is hot.
No, that's fine.
And then we made sundubu.
Hey.
Chores, restart faster. 7, 8, 9, 30. Push 30. Then we'll slow the job. We'll build to right here. 4. Fast up, fast down. We're dropping that weight.
Good morning, happy Wednesday. Oh my God, you guys, I am so sore already. Like, I went to a berries class at 7:10. Well, first of all, my alarm was 4:40 a.m. this morning, and that's so brutal. I had to drop off Thomas, like arrive at 5:15. So dropped him off. I went to a Starbucks because it was the only thing that was open, and I finished editing my video that's going live today. So that's kind of like the routine that I've been on lately as for like when I'm making time to edit before and after work and stuff. So that's what I did, but I made sure to give myself 10 minutes of journaling in the morning before I started editing, because then otherwise, like, and it just like grounds me. It just like puts me at peace, you know? And then today at Barry's was chest, back, and abs. And I don't know if it's from like my lack of chest strength, which is possible, or my lack of sleep, which is also possible, or both together, which made me feel so weak. It was such a hard class, and I need to go to Wednesdays more, honestly, because I don't do upper body enough. I usually just go to Tuesdays and Thursdays because of time and like my weekly schedule, and those are both lower body. So I think I really need to do upper body, lower body at least, and then maybe one like full body for an ideal Barry's work week. But I do have a workout week that's coming soon, so I can just bring you guys through my typical workout week and stuff. And yeah, but I'm so tired. I need another energy drink or like caffeine of some sort. I had a small Americano at like 5:30 in the morning, and it's almost 9 now, so I think I'm gonna have either another coffee or an energy drink. I need it, but then I won't have anything in the afternoon. It's also a hair wash day. I'm washing my sheets. I'm changing them out for our cream colored sheets, which I just feel like look nice in the fall. I'm really not trying to get more sheets, even though I want to. Like, I really would love like a dark brown sheets, but I think instead I'm gonna get like a throw blanket or something for the bed, because I think that would look really nice actually. So, oh my gosh, the hoodies thing is getting out of hand, but we are sizing out of this blaze. It's my lunch break, but I want to show you guys my journal. I'm gonna make a yogurt bowl today, so I'm gonna skip the whole making of it because I know you've seen it so many times, but I need it today, okay? Okay, I'm so sorry. I meant to at least show you guys what the yogurt bowl looked like complete, but I forgot. If you haven't had this, I think this is new from Trader Joe's. It sounds kind of weird, but Thomas and I were like, let's try it. The Trader Joe's Caesar salad dip. It's actually really good. Why is it good? Fall leaves. For the sake of showing you something that I'm eating, it's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, hello. Oh my god, it's so bright. I forgot to pick up the vlog, but I was in a rush. Justin came and picked up cashew, and now I'm going to, okay, like I was saying, I'm going to a event tonight in DC. It's so bright. I literally need to watch where I'm going. But I'm meeting my friend MV. Good morning. I totally have not talked to you guys since yesterday. Sorry about that. Honestly, I'm so sleep deprived. I'm pretty sleep deprived as of yesterday and today. Like, I haven't gotten good sleep for the last 2 nights in a row now. So like the vlogging, like I don't even know what I'm doing. But I think we all have weeks like that too. And I know you guys like relatable content and stuff. So I'm just really that tired this week. And I know we all have those weeks where we don't even like know what's going on. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't remember what I did. And especially when it comes to like when I'm hitting record, I don't know. But I think I actually showed you guys like me remaking this bed. This is my fall bed. It's like cream colored stuff. This is actually Brooklinen, and I'm not gonna lie, not sponsored at all. I haven't worked with Brooklinen in a really long time. I would love to work with them again. I'm actually thinking about buying a new set. Whoa! The Brooklinen Luxe Sateen just feels so nice. Like I do like it better than actual linen. And our blue set that we have is like a cotton linen blend, which is really nice. Don't get me wrong. Like it's especially really good, I think, in the warmer months. But oh my gosh, this Luxe Sateen, like the way that it feels like so soft and lived in, but so luxurious, like God, it's so good. And I've had this cream color set for a while now. I think like multiple years. The thing is, I'll be honest, like just because my washing machine like isn't the best, but there's like some parts that are like a little splotchy from the cream. Like it looks like very white in some splotches, and I don't really know why, but yeah, I'm thinking about just getting a new set and doing like cream and then like stripes or something. And then the little decor pillows are from Amazon. So I think this still looks really nice. Did you enjoy your walk outside? Oh my gosh, downward dog. Wow, cute dog. Cute dog. Show them how cute you are. Oh no, you have a boogie in your eye. I'll get it, don't worry. Yesterday was a lot of fun though. It was so nice to hang out with MB. Honestly, I don't see her enough. Like, I think we realized that we hadn't seen each other since her wedding in April, which is so bad. But to be fair, I think she was traveling and then I was traveling and then like the whole summer was crazy. So it's okay. I think a part of life is having those friends where maybe you don't see them for like many months, but when you do see them, it's like no time has passed. I know that there's, what, are you hungry? Yeah, having those friends that you can see, like maybe you don't have the same like friend group per se, or you don't see them extremely often, but when you do see them, it's like, it's literally like I saw her yesterday and there's just no pressure. And Emby is also like a really funny friend of mine. Like she just always makes me laugh. So it was really nice. We hung out for a good while and I went to bed very late and then I had to wake up very early to drop off Thomas. So yeah, I took it really easy today at Barry's. It was abs and glutes, but it did like medium weights because I was so not there mentally at that class, but it's okay. Okay, I think I caught you guys up now. I need to go to the office today. Just for lunch though, and then a meeting afterwards, and then I'll probably leave. Or if I can just come straight back after this one meeting that I have, it's lunch, then it should be fine. We'll see though. Hello. Oh my God, it's bright. Wow. Okay, I've been so bad about vlogging, but that's because I'm barely getting by right now, you guys. It's just been a really busy week and I am ready to hit the hay. This guy's not. These are beast stairs that... Yes, these are your stairs. These are your stairs. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, no. Work itself was good. It was pretty normal. I went to the office today, so it was just really busy. And then I finished kind of late because I was like commuting from the office and stuff. So it was a good day. I think I got some clips in the office and then a clip at the metro, but I basically was just trying to make sure I like got all my work done, honestly, before I went to this event tonight. And then my friend Reagan had like a spooky Spooks and Spice night. And then I picked up Beast. My neighbors were watching him while I was out for a while. So he's very cute. Usually he's like totally tired after he plays with Butters, but he's like so awake right now. I'm gonna hit the hay because I'm exhausted and I'll see you guys tomorrow, but tomorrow should be a chill day. I'm actually gonna work the morning at a coffee shop and then finish off my work week normally at home. Good morning, happy Friday. I slept in. It's like 9 o'clock now and I just am getting to the coffee shop. So I like didn't get my morning workout in like I usually do on my Fridays, like my sacred Fridays. I mean, you guys saw me last night. I was like dead inside, so I really needed to sleep in. And even so, like I feel like when you get a lot of sleep after not sleeping well for the last like 2 days, like I still feel it in my eyes. So I really wish I had like concealer or something because I feel like I look so tired and I can like still feel it. And I was pretty restless, honestly. I had really deep sleep, but then my parents who are in Spain, they like woke me up because they were getting me a gift, which was so nice of them. So I was like trying to be awake, but then I couldn't really go back to sleep after that. So I need a big coffee today, but at least I don't feel physically tired. I just feel it in my eyes. You know what I mean? Like I don't actually feel, I feel like I could work out if I like wanted to, but I feel it in my eyes. So I don't know. Let's just go to a coffee shop, get a big fat Americano and work. Happy Friday though. Hi guys. Okay, happy weekend. I'm so sorry. I didn't really do a good job vlogging this week, honestly. I like to be a little bit more holistic than this. Like I like to show you guys more and like talk to you guys more, spend more time during the work. I wouldn't call this a bad work week. I was just really sleep deprived, honestly. And like working when you're sleep deprived, like in your corporate job is just never pleasant. So yeah, but I got home from my Friday treat coffee working session and Thomas was already home from his overnight call. And so he was sleeping. So I finished work silently, which was actually really good. It kept me motivated and like productive. And now we're at the towing place because Thomas's car got towed. So that's how we're starting off our weekend. And I have coffee at 5 p.m. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this work week video. Very realistic, very like kind of bare bones, honestly, but I'll try to make it as fun as possible. I hope you guys have a good week or weekend or day or night, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in a new video very soon. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I post new videos twice a week in 2025. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, but until then, miss you already.